So what are you gonna do? So yeah, I really don't know. I mean, I really think he's alright. Okay, I'm lying. He's fine. Well, girl, obviously you're in love with him. Yes, you are. I don't know what to say to him. Girl, stop denying it. You know you're in love. Why? He's so cute. Oh my god, you guys be perfect together. Junior is fine. And I'm actually looking at him right now. He's my wallpaper on my computer. Love me some beefy men. I'm telling you, girl, you're in love. I mean, it's not ever gonna happen. Well, I'll talk to you later. Alright, I'll talk to you later. I gotta go shave my mom's back. Okay. Who am I fooling? You think a girl would learn?
If there's a prize for rotten judgment, I think I've already won that. No man is worth the aggravation. That's ancient history, been there, done that. Who'd you think you're kidding? He's the earth and heaven too. You try to keep it hidden, honey, we can see right through you, girl, you can't conceal it. We know how you feel and who you thinking of. No chance, no way, I won't say it, don't know. Just swoon, decide, why deny it, it's too cliche, I won't say I'm in love. Shoot up, ooh. I thought my heart has learned its lesson. It feels so good when you start out. My head is screaming, get a grip, girl. Unless you're dying to cry your heart out, you keep on denying who you are and how you're feeling, baby. We're not buying. So you hit the scene and face it like a grown up. When you gonna own up till you got it? No chance, no way, I won't say you don't know. Give up, give in, shake the green, you're in love. This scene won't play, I won't say I'm in love. You do weird flips, read our lips, you're in love. Shoot up, I won't say it. Shut up, my case, I will say it. Girl, don't be proud, it's okay, you're in love. At least out loud, I won't say I'm in shoot up, sha la 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 la.
What's up, everyone? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys liked this video as much as I did, because it was pretty fun doing this. So it was fun. So remember to like and subscribe. Go ahead and comment. Let me know what your thoughts is, and I'll see you next time. Bye.